When looking for affiliate programs to join, you may use a search engine like Google to identify particular programs, trawl the internet for hours, and eventually find ones that match your interests. However, joining an affiliate network where you can view thousands of programs in one spot is significantly faster. You can simply view program rates, cookie durations, average EPCs, and more by searching their marketplace. What exactly are affiliate networks? Affiliate networks are intermediaries between merchants that sell products and affiliates that promote them. Affiliate networks allow publishers, affiliates, the ability to search through brands, advertisers, and join their programs in one place. How to choose the best affiliate network? A lot of merchants in your niche. Make sure they're 100% free, high levels of customer support, and high-paying merchants. Here are my picks for the best affiliate networks. 1. Impact. Impact is a comprehensive partnership relationship management (PRM) platform that links major brands with publishers. Affiliates can join the network and apply for programs from thousands of prominent businesses such as Uber, Airbnb, Adidas, Allstate, and others. Brands who want to start their own affiliate program can use Impact to gain access to the greatest partnership tools. Impact assists brands and advertising in managing collaborations with affiliates, collaborations with influencers in marketing, deals for business development, attribution and analytics, contracts made to order. Optimizing channel partnerships can be difficult, but Impact's technology unifies partner initiatives under one roof. Impact is the perfect platform to utilize if you are a brand trying to develop a partnership program. 2. ShareASale. ShareASale is a massive affiliate network with over 3,900 merchants and 1 million plus affiliates. They've been in business for 19 years and are a leader in the industry. Some of their top verticals to promote include fashion, home and garden, food and drink, and B2B. But there are plenty more. Additionally, they provide great features, including affiliate marketing classes, training webinars, merchant recommendations, and marketing tools to help you grow your revenue. Their platform is also reliable on the technology front. Specifically, the ShareASale platform provides easy access to affiliate links, reporting tools, and pride themselves on transparency, speed, efficiency, and accuracy. If you're starting and want to get your toes wet in affiliate marketing, I recommend you join ShareASale as an affiliate first. And if you're a merchant looking for affiliates to promote your products, you can sign up as a merchant. 3. CJ. CJ by Conversant, previously commissioned Junction, is an affiliate network with a 20-year history in the industry. They process an astounding $15 billion in annual sales through their network, with $1.8 billion paid out to their affiliates each year. If you want to work with some of the world's greatest businesses, becoming a CJ affiliate is an excellent option. Overstock, Priceline, GoPro, Lowe's, and Office Depot are just a few of the merchants you may collaborate with on CJ. On the other hand, is a terrific platform to join because of its free and simple setup, superb real-time reporting, and consistent monthly payments. 4. Rakuten. Rakuten, formerly LinkShare, is an affiliate network that has been in operation since 1996. Despite having been in business for longer than most, they are not as large as CJ by Conversant. Nonetheless, they offer over 1,000 merchants to pick from, including many well-known brands such as New Balance, PacSun, Ray-Ban, and Sephora. What distinguishes them? To begin, Rakuten features a very user-friendly design, advanced deep linking tools, and the ability to create revolving banners while advertising your merchants. It is quite simple to set up. They also have good transaction reporting and tutorial videos to assist you in getting started and maximizing revenue. 5. Lemon Ads. Lemon Ads is a performance marketing network that has over 10,000 businesses available for affiliates to promote. When affiliates sign up and join their platform, they gain access to a variety of tools, including exclusive CPA offerings from well-known brands, intelligent affiliate link tools with reports that allow you to optimize your campaigns in real time. Payments are done quickly via wire transfer, PayPal, Paxum, and e-payments. Customer service is available via a variety of ways. Within the first 3 months of employing Lemon Ads, 85% of publishers saw an increase in revenue. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.